Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Describe the picture.
Describe the picture.
What do you see?
What do you see?
What do you see? Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? I see a big book, a girl, and a dog. I see a big book, a girl, and a dog. The book is open. The book is open. The girl is walking. She is holding a red umbrella. The girl is walking. She's holding a red umbrella. The big dog is looking at the girl and her umbrella. There are 8 birds in this picture. There are 8 birds in this picture. The dog is standing in the grass. The dog is standing in the grass. Good job!
Well done.
Hi, Max.
Hi.
What do you see in this picture?
I see one dog.
Okay.
One big dog.
Okay.
I see 7 birds.
Several birds. Okay.
7.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. What else do you see?
I see a girl.
What is the girl doing?
She's walking.
She's walking. Okay. What is she holding?
She's holding an umbrella.
An umbrella? What color is it?
It's red.
Okay. What is she wearing? What is the girl wearing?
She's wearing red sandals.
And that's it? Just red sandals?
No, skirt.
A skirt or a dress? We don't know.
Or
We
a
can't
dress.
see.
Yeah.
She's wearing a dress, maybe. Is the dog wearing a dress?
No.
No. What is the dog doing? What is the dog doing?
Standing.
Standing and looking at...
Looking at the girl.
Yes, and looking at the girl. Is it raining in the picture?
No.
No, it's not raining.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. What season is it there? What do you think? Is it winter?
No, summer.
Summer, it's summer. Okay, thank you, Max.
You're welcome.
What do you see? Look at this picture. What do you see now? Can you describe this picture? I see a white cat listening to music. I see a white cat listening to music. I see a white cat. The cat is listening to music. I see a white cat. The cat is listening to music. The cat's eyes are closed. The cat's cat's eyes are closed. The cat is sitting in the armchair. The cat is sitting in the armchair. The cat is not sleeping. The cat is not sleeping. It is listening to music. It is listening to music. The cat is cute. Meow. The cat is cute. Meow. Do you agree? Yes, I do. I agree. Good job.
Well done.
Okay, Max, look at the second picture. What do you see here?
I see a cat.
Okay, why are you laughing? Is it a funny cat?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a funny picture. It's a cute little cat.
Yeah. And he's listening to music.
He's listening to music, okay.
On his phone.
On his phone, okay. What do cats say?
Meow.
Meow, meow. Can you meow like a cat? Okay, what else is the cat doing?
He's sitting.
Sitting? Is he dancing?
No.
No. Where is he sitting? In the armchair?
Yeah.
Or on the couch?
In the armchair.
In the armchair, okay. Are the cat's eyes open or closed?
Closed.
Closed, yeah. Does the cat look happy or sad?
Sad.
Sad?
Oh, happy.
I think he looks happy. Do you think it's a boy? You called him he. Okay, the cat is listening to music. What do you see? Describe the picture. Look at this picture. What do you see now? In this picture, I see a mouse. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. The beautiful mouse is walking outside. The beautiful mouse is walking outside. She is wearing an orange dress, a red hat, and red rain boots. She is wearing an orange dress, a red hat, and red rain boots. The mouse is holding 3 books and a lantern. The mouse is holding 3 books and a lantern. She also has a camera. She also has a camera. There are 2 bags on her long tail. There are 2 bags on her long tail. There are 3 paint brushes in her hat. There are 3 paint brushes in her hat. There are unusual mushrooms in this picture. There are unusual mushrooms in this picture. I see 7 mushrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7 mushrooms. The mouse is happy. She's smiling. The mouse is happy. She's smiling. It is summer. I like summer. It is summer. I like summer. Good job.
Well done.
Okay, Max. What do you see in the third picture?
I see a mouse.
Okay, Max, here is the third picture, the last picture. What do you see here?
I see a mouse.
A mouse. Okay.
Walking with a lantern. Lantern.
Yeah, the mouse is walking with a lantern. She's also holding...
She's also holding books.
How many books is she holding?
3.
1, 2, 3. Yes, she's holding 3 books. Anything else?
She's wearing red boots.
Red boots, rubber boots, or rain boots? Okay. Is she wearing a dress or a skirt?
A dress.
Please, don't be so loud. Say sorry.
Sorry.
What color is the mouse's hair? Her hair is...
Hair?
Hair. What color is her hair?
Yellow.
Yes, it's yellow. Is it long or short?
Long.
Yes, it's long. Okay, what do you see in the mouse's hat? There are 3...
3 brushes.
Yes, brushes, paint brushes. Is she an artist, I wonder? Maybe she's an artist. Maybe she likes to paint.
I see mushrooms.
You see mushrooms. Or you can say there are mushrooms in this picture.
I see 7 mushrooms.
Okay, there are 7 mushrooms. I see 7 mushrooms.
I see one pink mushroom. I see 1 purple mushroom. I see...
You can say there is or there are.
I can see 2 orange ones. I can see 1 orange,
Okay.
one with red.
That's enough. With the red circles on it. That's enough about mushrooms.
And
Thank you.
I see blue ones with red circles on
them. Okay. What is there on her tail? There are. What are those things? Bags? Bags. There are 2 bags on her tail. Is her tail long or short?
Really long.
Really long. Is the mouse
longer than her hair?
Longer than her hair. Is the mouse happy or sad?
Happy.
Happy. Thank you for describing this picture for me, Max.
You're welcome.
Practice makes perfect. Thank you for learning English with us today. Email littleangelreader@gmail.com. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Little Angel Reader. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with Angel Reader, have some fun with Angel Reader.